What is beam of light? The beam of light can be defined as the collection of two or more what? Two or more ray. The collection of what? Of two or more ray of light is known as what? Beam of what? Of light. And there are three types of what? Of beam of light. We have what? Parallel beam, we have convergent beam, and we have divergent what? Beam of what? Of light. Like I said, there are three types of what? Of beams. The first one, we have what we call what? Parallel. We have parallel beam. And the second one, we have what we call what? Convergent beam. And the third one, we have what we call what? Divergent beam. Gent what? Beam. And what is parallel beam? When a ray of light are travel parallel with each what? With each other, we have parallel what? Beam. When a what? A ray of light are travel parallel what? With each other, what do we have? We have parallel what? Parallel beam. So a ray of light travel parallel what? With each what? Each other, what do we have here? We have parallel what? Parallel beam. This is what we call what? Parallel what? Beam. The ray of light, they travel parallel with each other. And this kind of what? Of beam can be found in what? In a charged light. The light that is what all those security used to what? And policemen used to use at the night is produce parallel what? Parallel beam. The charged light they use is produce what? Parallel what? Parallel beam. But what is what? Convergent beam. The convergent beam is what? When the ray of light are come from different source and they what? They converge at a particular what? Particular point. That's why we have what? A what? A convergent what? Convergent beam. The ray of light come from what? From different what? Source like this. Come from different what? Source. And all of them converge at a what? A particular what? A particular point like this. So this is what we call what? What? Convergent what? Convergent beam. The ray come from what? From different source and meet at a what? A particular point. It's called what? Convergent beam. And the convergent beam can be found in what? In practical and what? Hard lens. The hard lens we use in what? In laboratory can give us what? Convergent what? Convergent beam. And the next one is what? Is divergent what? Divergent beam. So the divergent beam is what? This is achieved when the what? A ray of light, they are coming from what? From the same source. And what? Ray of light come from what? From what? The same source and diverge. So this kind of beam is called what? Divergent what? Divergent beam. They come from the what? The same source and what? Diverge. And this kind of beam can be found in what? In electric lamp that we use at home. If you look at what the lamp we use at home is a what? Is a source. If you put the lamp on the table like this, assuming it's the lamp, you put it on the table like this. Later you on the lamp, what will happen? It will give us what? Light. Like this. So the light is what is diverged. It should spread. You have what to see. So the lamp we use at home produce what? Divergent beam. The light, the convergent beam, you can get it from what? From the hard lens we use in what? In laboratory to observe biological specimen. And the parallel beam, you get it from the what? From the source what? Charge light. That is all about what? The beam and what? An ray of what? Of light. We have what? Rectilinear propagation of what? Of light. So what is rectilinear propagation of light? The rectilinear propagation of light can be defined as a tendency of light ray or light energy to travel through a straight line. So the ability of what? Of light energy or light ray to travel through a what? A straight line like this. It is what we call what? Rectilinear propagation of what? Of light. So the tendency of what? Of light to travel through a what? A straight line in this form is what we call what? Rectilinear propagation of what? Of light. Of light. And we have application of what? Rectilinear propagation of what? Of light. This rectilinear propagation of light has what? Three basic uses or three basic what? Application. So what are the application of what? Of rectilinear propagation of what? Of light. The first one we have three uses or application of light. We have number one, we have PO what? Camera. Pin O camera. So we apply the rectilinear propagation of light in what? In PO what? Camera, or the rectilinear propagation of light lead us to the what? The what we call PO what? Camera. So formation of what? Of shadow. The next one we have formation of eclipse. Formation of eclipse is also what? Application of what? The rectilinear propagation of what? Of light.